I'm Jennifer Lucero, and I am the Senior Manager for Special Olympics Southern California in Orange County. And I'm excited to talk to you about staying safe and staying healthy and well during the coronavirus pandemic. There's a few things that we can do here at home and out in the public to stay safe during this time, and I want to share them with you. I have 2 teenage boys at home, and we are all practicing this together, and my son Dylan is actually a Special Olympics athlete as well. So here's step 1. We abide by the rules for COVID-19 here in the house, and I keep this on the fridge. There's a couple of great points to really try to do. One is stay home when you can. Practice social distancing. Only leave your home for essential needs. Cover your face when you go out or if you're around other people. And make sure to always wash your hands. A couple important things about your face during COVID-19. You want to try to make sure that you're not touching your face. It's important to try not to touch your face, which means your mouth or your eyes or your ears as much as possible. And when you do touch your face, make sure to wash your hands. And the golden rule is to wash your hands for 20 seconds. We're going to talk about wearing a mask. We have several different masks in the house. Use what you can. We have disposable masks that are just like you would see at the doctor or hospital. And we also have some specialty masks that we have that are made of cloth that we have. It's okay to use whatever you have for a mask, but what's important is to wear it properly. What you want to do is you take your mask and you make sure to pull it over both of your ears like this. Now what's really important is how you wear the mask. You want to make sure that you have your entire nose and mouth covered. If it's not covered, it doesn't keep you safe and it doesn't keep other people safe. When you wear your mask out in public or at home, make sure to wear it the entire time that you are out. So if you're at the store buying groceries, or if you're at getting food to go at a restaurant, you want to make sure you have your mask on at all times. So that's very important. So we try to wear our masks as much as possible, especially if there's people that aren't in our immediate family or friends coming to our house, or we want to stay away from large groups of people. So that's wearing a mask. What's also important is hygiene and washing your hands. I have in the house a lot of things to keep us safe. We have hand sanitizer that we use all the time. I have it in all different places in the house. So I have it in the kitchen, all the bathrooms. I have it even in our bedrooms and out in our living room. It's really easy. All you have to do is spray and make sure to rub your hands together with the sanitizer. You want to make sure to get your palms, the outside of your hands. You want to get inside your fingers. You want to get your thumbs, and make sure that you cover every part that you have. Make sure too, if you have to sneeze, make sure to try to stay away from people and sneeze into your arm like this. Always make sure to use Kleenex too to blow your nose. And when you're using anything, make sure to throw it away straight away into your trash can. Now, talking about washing our hands. This is probably one of the most important things that you can do besides wearing a mask during COVID-19. You want to wash your hands often. Whenever you're touching anything, before or after you go out of the house. And for best practice for us here at home, for my sons Dylan, Ethan, and I, are to make sure like every half an hour we're washing our hands. You have to wash your hands to be safe for 20 seconds. So there's a couple things you can do during this time. You can sing the happy birthday song 2 times in a row, and that will be 20 seconds. You can set a timer, like I have a timer on my kitchen or on your phone for 20 seconds, or you can count slowly to 20, like 100, 2 100 till you hit 20. To wash your hands, you want to make sure that you have water going. I try to use as much as possible warm to hot water as I'm doing it, and you want to make sure to have proper soap. Soap can be liquid soap or even a hand soap, like a bar of soap, whatever you have handy. So first I have the water, I get my hands wet, then I use my soap. I like to do 2 pumps with my soap, and then I start to wash my hands for 20 seconds. Again, just like the sanitizer, you want to do the inside of your hands, you want to do the outside of your hands real good. You want to get inside deep with your fingers, under your nails, and your thumbs. Keep going for 20 seconds. Make sure that you're super clean. This is going to get all the germs away and keep you safe and keep your family and your friends safe as well. So when you're done with the 20 seconds, you rinse off your hands really, really good. Make sure to get all the soap off and keep yourself clean. Then you turn off the water, and then you can do one of 2 things. We have dish towels here and towels in every single bathroom. I also, just to be extra safe, like to keep extra paper towels throughout the house. That way these are disposable. And then I know that they're fresh and I'm keeping extra clean, and then I put them in the trash can. The next thing that is really important during COVID-19 is making sure that you are social distancing. What does that mean? Well, the guidelines are that you stay at least 6 feet apart from someone else. So let's say you're out in public, you're at the store, you're at even taking a walk around the neighborhood, or you're at the park, or you're going to pick some food up for your dinner. You want to make sure that you are standing at least 6 feet away from anybody around you. That means someone in front of you, someone to the side of you, and someone in back of you. Be very careful with this. And then, of course, as you're doing social distancing, make sure to wear your mask. Because again, when you're out, the way to keep people safe and yourself safe is to wear a mask, social distance, make sure not to touch your face, and make sure to continuously wash your hands really well. I know we can get through this together. I know it's hard. My boys and I have been in the house for months now, and it's definitely not the easiest thing, but we can get through this all together, and soon we can be together again, hopefully on the field and at events, and being back together with the magic of Special Olympics. So I miss all of you. Please make sure to follow these steps and stay safe, and thank you. Have a good day.